The Razer Blackwidow and Blackwidow Ultimate are Razer's first mechanical keyboards. What makes this keyboard special is the use of Cherry MX Blue mechanical switches. The blues are the best for typing. They are tactile and clicky. Razer chose the blues over the blacks, which are the best for gaming. They are not tactile or clicky, as they are unneeded for gaming. Cherry MX Browns are the middle ground for both, tactile but not clicky. Unlike other Razer products, the Blackwidow is very sleek and clean. The keyboard is covered by a very reflective glossy plastic. The function keys include volume control, media control, gaming mode button, lighting switch, and sleep button. Indicators are hidden under the plastic cover. The function key and on-the-fly macro button are located on the right side of the spacebar. The keyboard uses a cool font. They are laser etched. Alternate letterings are pad printed in a gray color. The keyboard is slightly sloped by default and can be raised even further by the two rubber non-slipped feet. The Razer Blackwidow is not overly large, almost the same size as a Logitech illuminated keyboard. Mechanical switches sound and feel different than your typical rubber dome and scissor switches. The tactile bump can be easily felt. Looking past the macro keys and the braided cable, a gold-plated USB plug is found. This is one of the biggest cons of this keyboard. At this price, the Blackwidow should feature a PS2 interface like the other mechanical keyboards, which can handle N-key rollover. Instead of having the ability to have all the keys register when they're pressed down at the same time, the Blackwidow can only do 6 keys and 4 modifiers. The backlight for the Razer logo can be set to off, low, medium, bright, and pulse. Here are the caps lock, numlock, and scroll lock indicators. To record a macro, first press the macro button, enter the keystrokes, and then press the macro button again. The macro will be assigned to whatever key you press next. Gaming mode disables the Windows key. In conclusion, this is a great keyboard. It has great looks, good quality, and good software. The macro capabilities and the media keys are nice bonuses which are not common on mechanical keyboards. The only cons are the lack of N-key rollover support and the glossy plastic. At the price of $80 though, this keyboard has great value. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.